Raj Kapoor 100, a musical concert celebrating the 100th birth anniversary of the legendary Indian actor and filmmaker Raj Kapoor, was held at the Royal Albert's Palace in Fords, New Jersey. The event was dedicated to the late Shobna Patel, who passed away on January 12 last year. A beloved community leader, she was the co-founder of the Royal Albert's Palace and was involved in several community initiatives for good causes. She was a visionary leader and pillar of the community who left an enduring impact on the lives of countless individuals. Born in Nairobi, Kenya, she moved to India and later to the United States. Patel was the first woman president of the Federation of Indian Associations. She co-founded Shakti, the Power, and was the director and creator of the teen Miss and Mrs. New Jersey pageant, amongst many other influential organizations. Today, almost 4 decades after his death in 1988, the greatest showman of Indian cinema remains one of India's most loved stars. Raj Kapoor ruled the silver screen along with the two other greats Dev Anand and fellow Peshawari Dilip Kumar. He was not just the actor but also producer and director who made films, spectacles and otherwise with music that strikes a chord many decades later. He was a visionary who shaped Indian cinema with his unique style of filmmaking. He was also a pioneer in exploring the international market for Indian films. Around 30 singers of New Jersey sang, danced and performed to the best songs of the legendary actor during this sold-out event. The proceeds of the program were donated to South Asian Culture, Heritage and Arts or SACHA.
Today we are here at the Raj Kapoor event honoring our beloved mom. Today marks the 1 year where she left this world and decided to unite with God. Our mom was very, very special, not only to us as a loving mom, but she was a loving grandmother as well and a very supportive wife. Outside of her family life, she was very big in the South Asian community. Her main stance was for women empowerment and Shakti the Power, an organization she founded a few years back to empower and upbring women. She also dedicated a lot of her time with the Miss India organization, again, standing to unite women as well as empower them. Of course, we miss her dearly, and today they will be paying tribute to our beloved mom.
Raj Kapoor was only the director, I think, that he made sure that all his songs in his movies are, great and, melodious, and a lot of songs, based on the ragas, and, so he wanted to make sure that with the storyline and all this, music also, has to be part of the movie. So I will end this with one of his, famous song. And the song is about life, about the God. So the song is दुनिया बनाने वाले क्या तेरे मन में समाई काहे को दुनिया बनाई तूने काहे को दुनिया बनाई.
What a way to pay a tribute to the person. He was an amazing, a classic, evergreen hero. Always been liked by not only just the Indians. It was like very well known in Russian population. Also, his songs, movies, Charsovis, Mera Naam Joker. Some of the songs, they are ever classic, like Kisi ki muskurahaton pe ho nisar. I really, really love those songs.
It's a great 2 celebrations we are enjoying. One is, of course, the Raj Kumar and the entertainment for Raj Kapoor for 100 anniversaries, and also Shobana Ben's first anniversary of passing out, unfortunately, and it is also at the Albert Palace. So it's great to have these functions. I see the hall is filled with the enjoyment that people are enjoying with the Raj Kapoor.
We had over 500 people in the audience. 30 singers of New Jersey sang beautiful solo and duets of Raj Kapoor ji from his films, which he has directed, acted, produced. It was a beautiful evening, mesmerizing 5 hours of show with great food, appetizers, dinner. It was a great celebration tonight. Along with, we remembered our very own Shobana Ben Patel. Today, 12th January, marks the first death anniversary of our beloved Shobana Ben Patel, the owner of this beautiful Royal Albert Palace, along with Mr. Albert Jasani. And she was a true connoisseur of arts and supported me and every other artist and promoter in the state of New Jersey by providing this beautiful hall at the most affordable price always. Shobana Ben, we are going to miss you so much, but we know that from the Almighty God's place, you are blessing us. You're showering blessings on all of us who are doing anything for the art form. And we are always here with your love and gratitude that you had always supported Indian events, cultural events in this beautiful hall. So thank you so much.
Raj Kapoor's cinema carried social messages often hidden beneath layers of entertainment. His female characters were never just accessories, they were the heart of his narratives. Their arcs are pivotal to the stories he told. He was one of India's first global stars, with fans in places as distant as Russia and the Middle East. Kapoor's cinema stood at the crossroads of artistry and entertainment, blending poignant storytelling with unforgettable music. His collaborations with artists like Shankar Jaikishan and Mukesh gave Indian cinema some of its most iconic songs. Well, that's all for today. Please follow TV Asia on Instagram and Facebook. And if you want any events in your neighborhood covered on Community Roundup, please do email us at info@tvasiausa.com. Or you can also call us at 732-650-1100. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care.